Abuzia Reverend Owusu Bempah agena sorry dem waka say NPP for nyina ya Nkwaseafoɔ.
Nkwaseafoɔ. Wonse NPP for ma Jimmy pa. Ebinu ma Jimmy a ma menti o ma se. Omo se president mama ba o cheche omo. Me dia na me ya ma momo che me. O ma pani mama kra no we ni papa me anka mechimo a china na kufu ado kra kan. Nkwaseafoɔ.
Afei wasaso atonkra e de ma Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia the flag bearer at the NPP, afraid and a B, and no more marker. I was your dainty, and no cancer. Aha, I Aberdom Ghana TV. Abuja, and then the first time no sharing video. Message subscribe, no like it, no appear. I'm obedient on your be no washe. We are trying for good comment section. If never kind at the amount of the meeting at the cross and die. Abuja, and no other, and never power Reverend Owusu Bempah. Sorry, Gina Hawkins said MP Bass will be now on your problem because the former president, His Excellency, I go for Robert Transono, obey a video be in year 2013, and a video never trended pa my bayan to how Ghana when we inviting us Emma, Chief of Staff, former Chief of Staff, inviting to the office. Say the former president, I go for those woman, no mission say, so video we didn't know we have video.
Officer.
Sasa video na nena mabonten no nyame atwam
That
na sa de na nya dwuma bi
that video which had gone viral.
Bawumia na eba entimi de me free ho me ba fie
When I got home,
ma prepare say me be grant interviews na maka de ma me se menka
I had prepared
because
to
say o papa se ba bi akokɔ ba ta exam no ha na ne bagina na ne ba no enti o support Bawumia nto so support no afei me prepare.
Now I was getting ready. I was getting prepared.
I'm just making a software mo ebe me witness. A honor radical me say, Mami nka bibia. Enti ma anya interview bia.
So I did not grant any interview.
Eno ni me problem. Eno nti na chama wuntumi ka kire me say, omo so do support ama honorable alanchre
that they have alanchre
kasa kire ne o say ya wa anye. Kire o ma chi ne nya ma me nti o ma chi wo.
So
omo do kwa akuse, omo do go.
They have arrested you.
E wa akuse. So that
you would be disabled. And so that is what he said to me.
Show video. Actually, say me come and maybe okochi to na mama so chi to enya no kre. Senkanya so to mu hene. Anka baby a ye call yes ne mama ni koshi akran ka me nko.
Now the so to chief
na ma so to mu hene ene ahefo bi o mo ba me.
I was giving honor.
I witness. Me na net one call ne buy.
I was only showing honor and respect.
So be pa me chew.
I was only showing honor.
Ye call for peace. Tina mama na aka so Owusu Bempah ba so be peace. Me ni peace bi a me dey ma no. Won say no de nkrofo nka. And I went to obeti han no call mama no ko twi tuo. And mama ni so twi me ko twi tuo.
Now,
and almost said that you sue no, but I want to me catch me Owusu Bempah say, and you know, a lancher mantina, woman who's all those support a man, woman who's a woman pet Dr. Bawumia sem. But Yehu Bibi, and no enemy how I'm a fair.
Right.
Show much in Nanya me crown won't bet me because I'm a
now, I was only showing giving
order from above. Same famine cost tracking force. Afeanajo. A Presidency model a year church woman 8 ebe family call me pania kume. Nyame maami hui. Dabi ame kan man ko fofisa meboa.
To aso kan say ye pese Ghana ye ne tumpon ne kon kanya. E me allow ene osum bia enka Christian for ana Christosom ho ema me leader o Ghana ha. Nti se eba say mesem me kan o say konfo ana say nkramoni e me allow ema mo ma me leader e wo Ghana ha. Agesa Nyankopon hira e ma Ghana so.
Presidency bia was a spiritual person. Yesu nimpo or a spiritual.
Now, even those who don't believe in Jesus,
enti so onye Yesu ni asunsun na e backing no sunsun na fa ne so eru. Almost a spirit no be fa ne mu de hihye bia ba e be affect Christianity. And no any misun.
That is my worry.
But president will believe in Jesus Christ. Onyame ohom fa ne mu eru. So
the presence of God.
No man from say who peace. What the man say I'm sure new king be.
If you are not careful and a new king arises.
necessary new king on Christianity.
And that new king doesn't like Christianity.
You
think you can come walk as easily. That is why
may sound as a prophet. Meaning a days ahead of us. And I may warn him. Some give you presidential seats and not presidencies. And man Crawford believe Jesus.
That let us not give
all those positions.
Let us not give
Christians
the presidential seats to people who do not believe in Jesus.
I know what I'm talking about. Until the next 10 years, Owusu Bempah. Or in
Christians,
you take you over. You occupy sensitive positions.
Let's occupy sensitive positions in government.
I'm telling you the truth.
I am searching for a president. In whose time
he will appoint Christians
into sensitive
Speaker
positions.
Of Parliament, Christian.
Speaker of Parliament, Christian.
IGP, Christian.
The IGP is a Christian.
Asogyafoɔ penny, Christian.
The CDS is a Christian.
Ministers, Christians.
The ministers of states are Christians.
Christians.
Wherever you go, you will find Christian.
Because
Jesus is the King of all kings. And he is the ruler. And let us give the power to the one we want and not the choice of Satan.
And prophet prophesy.
Some people say, why must prophets prophesy about the one God has chosen to lead the nation? How is that your problem? Should we allow the devil to choose rather than God? So you want people who believe in other things, spiritualists, fetish priests and all that, to chant and impose leaders on us. As for me, I have bound it. It is bound.
So far as it can never happen.
That the son of the devil will not lead this nation so long as I am alive. So that a new king will not arise and say, let no one go to church. Let no prophet prophesy. I will not wait until I'm cast into the den of lions. You will not even see the throne.
Christianity antichrist, anti-God. No antichrist. It is impossible. We shall see.
The man is Nanka MP a Christian, minister a Christian, chief of staff Nanka a Christian, Nanka a president so a Christian. Now, Ocean the Casa Yemwana is a watch say, and may allow Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, Mama, president, and Tessa. Nyamin shira anase Kristo nyankopon shira paso de boa Ghana no enimu na ndisa ye be bre papa Owusu Bempah sa to aso kan say NPP fo wo beto obama NPP wo NPP political party ni mu ade be ye wo dia wa manager dia ma nanabi Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ene mpanyimfo bi ni mu a wo de jabia ma no omo a ebusuya de we o say fire omo no mo dware do omo hu mfi said ye be ya enkoye se me na mabom dream na me ka bie no ye ntiafi ye papa Reverend Owusu Bempah anum ye ba
Nkwaseafoɔ unse NPP for ma jimi pa ebinu ma jimi a ma menti o ma se o mo se president mama ba o cheche o mo me dia na me ya ma mo che me o ma pani mama kra o no we ni papa me anka mechimo a china na kufu ado kra kan Nkwaseafoɔ me pa chao we NPP ni na wode man ma won ka ho bi me ka NPP for Nkwaseafoɔ na o plan fa me ho no o de wo ye nyansani enti o NPP party na begu me megu party na mo de amonhwe because osofo wo de fa osika no to ha fa osika no to ha mo kwa kokum me Owusu Bempah mo party no ngukura na enye me ha na enye nyame na afre me se Bawumia be president e o Ghana ha Why Ghana Chrome ha? Mohoya Misre. The Omode, I mean, into the MPP. Sa 2028, no, Omumpa baby intena. Me caso on Beman confirm the dimatem, and no crana me pay. Omu dimatem no, na me say omo more. Ha, me say omo MPP. Ewuradia. Me mama who say to me, Yesu, dear, and or dear mammy. A dear me MPP for power Ghana Chrome MPP for me. And two Hana MPP near, and Owusu Bempah. Because 2028 me be kesi MPP for you na. Adia be chia me ato aba na me kesi MPP 2028. Obi bia beto aba na me MPP bia nya me no me betena so onkwa na nyina. Na ensma me kesi bi ni. Afa na me be keka nsem o. Me be kansem papa. De me ka bia so ebesi. Wo di tini ya obo se no me na di wachi wo no abusu ya nyina. Hwe na mon samra no mekume wanya onu bewu na meme wo ho asiafo me pa chofo aforobo no to onimu ana me yasen kofo firi so Owusu Bempah otwa nanum omu hye da nimi ana mi ntwa manum o de meka bia besimi si 2028 on be we wo de bode tito stupid people Nkwaseafoɔ NPP. Ma bobo dampa, ma jimi. Mo sori amoso aban we cheche mo. Omo cheche hwan. Na omo ye demonstration. Na bi no e na fu say you no dimbi. O ye den demonstration. Mowa. Sa no omo de hwe hopsina doye, sa no omo ye no. Hopsina doye. Omo chi no for nothing. Hopsina doye. Nkwaseafoɔ. Na modie me twen ene me de makoma na ba fom na election time no duru ho a me dismantle mo metete mo modie mo be hu de me mo Nkwaseafoɔ identity say mo de handcuff bomb insa bomb pam abra drip esi me so ana no mo fi say me ka say me ho mfam no mo fi say me boa na so mo fi say da bre na minti baby a de drip na hye no ho no mo de handcuff na bonne osan de twa mensa me busa na o say order from above and there's Owusu Bempah any hopes na do I say anitina mo yes ofo sa no ma twitu so etu so mbe shutu and there's Owusu Bempah any hopes na do o mbe shutu o ade o say order from above asia order from munni no mo sitri so Nkwaseafoɔ me pa cho for 100 Ghana na bra Nkwaseafoɔ na mo MPP ade ameya mo no e o Ghana kro me ne mo mienu Ghana de ma bufu kran sa wo kan o mu sa di watem inse so mbeka sa o mu ya sorry na mo ba be patch o ye mu sa di matem opposition ho de mo betena ho sa na mo mu pese mu fi opposition na ho na enkotena ho mo mu mpe opposition no ho na pe e di mu fi se NDC fon fa power ne mamo no mo mo nkotena opposition wenya edi akonya opposition kakra motene musu entinka o man pani ma mo so ni fra konya no so na nkonfa ma mo ana sedi ana NDC di omudi akonya na enye ye amamo no mu bu no ene mo mu de no de he na na ye mo ba ye nyeska no ma be di mo diska kenoforia tadwane akotena brochiri wa diga na ska dwane akotena brochiri Nkwaseafoɔ mo sora mo say NDC for chichim. Me pacho aka 50 Ghana also for the bra. Opa bra person member die. Ya was. And na crowd ya monte 2028 na mo betensem. Election time no e beduru ha na mo betensem. Na me he obi o ha na mo bekọ akoto aba na ma NPP. Obi bia so abeka say the Owusu Bempah ya ne say nyo nyame no mentena so nkwa na nyina
we de kowa dukowa ena da ho no obi nsito do matoa ono na ode ato fom na abusua ensem mo ya atotwe so kakra eya kokko ye se na no bi de alhaji bi beka ye se obi kasatia Islam soma ye ntwa ne tunkunu no ase eya koye similar and now go for me can say way a security a threat. A yakwe bibi sa ama enyema bi babontina ebe hardwin. Abusia ahaya bedum Ghana. Media men kasa pi. Subscribe na like na share na first time I order hardwin for good comment section. You need the chile in some way. Ya hwe say bia NPP as a political party ba man respond wo ho a anaso ma be fire back a yedi mu nkyem ba so mo ha ya ne entra medin at the cross and die suman kase magrao